Hey, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. My Milwaukee M12 Fuel Gen 3, model number 3404-20 with a 5-amp high output XC battery. Speed 2. We're going to run some 4-inch timber locks. Okay, now my Flex compact hammer drill, model number FX1231 with a 3.5 stack of lithium, fully charged, and speed 2 with more 4-inch timber locks. Wow, it jams it in there. Okay, let's do 2 more apiece. This has 650 inch-pounds. The Milwaukee only has 400. So let's run one more. Okay. Now let's run the Milwaukee again with more 4-inch timber locks, and then we're going to run them back to back. Okay, now let's run the Flex again. Okay, let's run the Milwaukee again. Let's run the Flex again. Okay, now let's run the Milwaukee M12 3rd generation with a 5-amp XC battery, and it's fully charged. Ledger locks, 5-inch. Okay, let's go to the Flex compact hammer drill, model number FX1231 with a 3.5 stacked lithium, fully charged with a 5-inch ledger lock. Okay, let's go back to Milwaukee and run another 5-inch ledger lock. Okay, let's go back to the Flex compact hammer drill with another 5-inch ledger lock. Okay, let's finish it up with the Flex with the last 5-inch ledger lock. I only got 5 of these. Okay, now let us run some 4-inch grip rights. Wow, that really puts it in there. Wow, this thing's got some get up and go juice. I'm kind of thinking it has more get up and go juice than its partner, the compact impact driver. Okay, now let's go on to run the Milwaukee. This is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Gen 3. With a 5-amp XC battery, fully charged. And these are grip rights, 4-inch. And speed 2. Okay, let's run these back to back now. This is Milwaukee M12 fuel 3 hammer drill, 3rd generation. That one ain't going out so good. Maybe it's stripped. Okay. Okay. Now let's run the flex. I only got one of these right now that works. Okay, let's go back to the Milwaukee. Still fully charged with a 5 amp XC high output battery. Okay, let's go back to the flex. With the 3.5 stack lithium, still fully charged with 4-inch grip rights. Wow, does it jam them in there? Wow. Wow, does it put them in there? I think it puts them in there way more than the Milwaukee. Well, this is 650 inch-pounds versus 400 inch-pounds. That's 250 more. Okay, now let's run the Milwaukee again. I got to get another one of these bits. That'll be my next objective now. Okay. Still fully charged with a 5 amp XC battery. Okay. That cracked. Can drive it in, but not quite as far as the flex. Okay, let's switch back to the Flex Compact Hammer Drill. Model number FX1231 with a 3.5 stack lithium. We have, looks like to be 5 more to drive, and that's it. I don't know, what flavor do you want? You know, do you want 24 volt with the Flex compact hammer drill, or 12 volt with the Milwaukee M12 Gen 3 fuel? This has got a 5 amp XC battery, and this got a 3.5 stacked. The stack seems to be fully charged. Fully charged still. And we drove in over 30 fasteners between the two. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, they're both nice hammer drills. You can't, you know, I mean, the Flex has a little more power, 650 inch-pounds, you know, and it 1800 RPM, and I think it does almost 29,000 impacts per minute on hammer drilling. And the Milwaukee does 1550 RPM with 22,500 beats per minute for concrete work. So, okay, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.